Hi friends, today let's learn some interesting facts about a wild animal lion. This is a lion and it is a wild animal. An animal is considered to be a wild animal if it lives in nature and is not tamed. Wild animals live in a habitat which is their natural home and they depend only on themselves to survive. Animals like lion, deer, bear, and giraffe are all wild animals. Lions are easily recognized by their manes. Larger and darker mane suggests that lion is very strong and often lions avoid him. Lionesses react differently. They are attracted by the large and dark manes. Wow, that's interesting. It is a carnivore and hence eats only meat and preys mostly on other large animals. During one meal, lions can eat up to 40 pounds of meat. Wow! Did you know that? Lion's teeth work like a pair of scissors. Chopped meat will be swallowed without chewing. Did you know that? It lives in the jungle in a den, and a baby lion is called a cub. A lion, as you all know, is very strong. It can run very fast. Lions live up to 15 years in the wild, while they can survive 25 to 30 years in captivity. Lions are social creatures and live in family groups where they hunt together. Hmm, that's interesting. They have very few sweat glands and so they rest to conserve their energy while also trying to remain cool during the day. They are very good at swimming. Wow, amazing. Did you know that? The lion has been given the name King of the Jungle due to its stately royal appearance. Impressive.
Thanks for watching.